Hi, my name is Mayank Kumar Srivastava and I am heading LSG Life Science Group in Agilent Technologies India. And basically, I am responsible for generating the demand and business for Agilent Technologies. Agilent Technologies is basically a solution and product provider for all the pharmaceutical, environment, food, all the industry, and even in doping test. So we provide a measurement, analytical solutions to all the sectors. And when it comes to analytical solution, that we provide the instruments related to which handles basically the humankind testing, is right from the drug testing or environment testing, food testing, water testing, anything. So we have a long product line for HPLC, LCMS, atomic spectrometry, and all for the heavy metal testing. So this is all about that, and we are a exhibitor at FIP, and we are getting a little low response in terms of pharmaceutical industries, but we are getting good response for academia, and we feel that means we'll be able to generate some business from FIP in future. We are basically we exhibit most of the major conferences, and I would not like to name, but yeah, we are exhibiting most of the major conferences, and which is all over the world as well as all over India. So basically, Agilent is a $15 billion company, and with around 20,000 people all over the world, with 100 operations, 100 countries operations. So basically, if you say it's for the non-government organizing body, we are associated with the Indian Pharmaceutical Association. We are also associate with the IDMA and Indian Pharmaceutical Council. So these are the governing body and non-government organization that we are associated, and we get business from them. Thank you very much.